ready to unlock seamless digital payments with your new American Express GCash card. Let's get it activated online in just a few simple steps. First, ensure you have the latest version of the GCash app installed on your smartphone. If not, head to your app store and update it once updated. Open the GCash app. You'll see the login screen. Enter your registered GCash mobile number and your MPIN to access your account. This is your secure gateway. On your GCash dashboard, look for an option like Add Money or Cash In. Tap on this to proceed with adding funds to your wallet. Within the Add Money section, you'll find various ways to fund your account. Select the option that allows you to link bank account card, or a similar choice for adding external cards. This is where you'll enter your American Express GCash card details. Carefully input the 16-digit card number printed on the front of your Amex GCash card, followed by its expiry date. Next, locate the card verification value, or CVV, which is the 3-digit security code found on the back of your Amex GCash card. Enter that code into the designated field. You might be prompted for a final verification step, depending on GCash's security protocols. This could be a one-time password sent to your registered mobile number or email. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this. And just like that, your Amex GCash card is now linked and activated. You'll see a confirmation message like Card Successfully Added or Card Activated. You can now enjoy the convenience of making payments, transferring funds, and managing your digital transactions using your Amex GCash card, all directly through your GCash app. Experience the ease of integrated transactions and secure payments with your activated American Express GCash card. Happy spending!